Hey guys, hey, Tyler 2 here, and today I went to Six Flags Fiesta Texas, and got a Batman hat and a Batman cape, and I recorded recorded the final half of the fireworks show, the new fireworks show for y'all. So I'll be showing it to y'all right now. So yeah, but Six Flags Fiesta Texas, only one there is, San Antonio, Texas. Check it out.
Thank God for my old stomping ground. I wouldn't be standing right here right now if it wasn't for Texas. If it wasn't for Texas. If it wasn't for Texas. Texas is more than places and things. Texas is a people. Folks from many traditions in every walk of life. Whether you call Texas home, or if you're just passing through, Texas is you.
Opa!
Star nights and your day here at Six Flags Fiesta.